Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So, a massive bear bar yesterday, and the question is at the moment, is that the start of a fairly decent pullback that would allow us to get back into this market? So at the moment we are sideways. I've still got the range drawn from yesterday, so that's kind of the area we're playing in at the moment. This shooting star here, pretty much was the early signal, and you can see we've been going sideways since then. But 1400 is the area that is offering resistance at the moment, and what we're looking for is a half decent pullback onto structure for us to start trading to the long side again. Now, yesterday was just a crazy day on most markets. DAX was no different, and we'll get to that on the lower time frames at the moment. But right now we've got a bearish cross, and we are below the 150 moving average at the moment. So there's a lot happening here, and what you can start doing in actual fact is start drawing your channel, because DAX will move in a channel. You can draw it like that, or you could take these two levels here, but I think that's kind of what you're going to be looking for at the moment. So move up, move down, move up, move down, move up, move down. That's kind of the structure we're looking for. Remember, we've got magnets to downside. We've got a gap here, which we've kind of tagged again on the lower time frame, but there are gaps further down. Okay, so that is something that you need to really pay attention to now. It does look like we have a potential trend change, but it is extremely violent. So let's just start with the recap for Friday. So Friday, we bounced up into the moving averages. I said to you yesterday that this is kind of no man's land. We gapped up, closed this gap, it was here, and then immediately reversed. And that reversal was pretty much a 2.2% reversal. So the point that I'm making at the moment is what we should be looking for is any kind of pullback onto structure, and the first bit of structure is here at 1375. It has been tested with this pin bar, so maybe just look a little bit higher up around here at 13813, and possibly even higher somewhere up here, which is 13837. So what I'm kind of looking for is a pullback into that and a move to the downside again. Now, there's a lot of noise in Europe at the moment, and it's all driven by the vaccine, and well, not just the vaccine, but how the virus is affecting the European communities right now. And I think that's pretty much sentiment for the DAX right now. It does follow the Dow Jones, and Wall Street is kind of Dow Jones, not so much S&P or NASDAQ, but Dow Jones, Wall Street 30 is definitely not following suit with the other two. So there is some kind of, let's just call it a gentle pullback underway there as well. So for me right now on the DAX, it's looking like we have a potential range break at the moment into some form of a channel. So yeah, we're looking for moves up, and then we're looking to sell into this, and we're looking to sell, and just for as long as we keep making lower lows like this and lower highs, that is kind of the structure we need to do at the moment. So I am anticipating an early trend reversal here. Remember, on the DAX my trend is on the 3 hour, so typically what happens is you're looking for a crossover, we've got it, we're looking for structure breaks, we've got it, and now we're looking for rejections of those structure breaks or retests of them, and we don't have that yet, but we are waiting for that. So that's kind of my view at the moment. So looking for more downside here on the DAX today, and I think if we get a second and a third red day on the DAX, that would set things into motion for a deeper pullback, and which is what's needed. We need a fairly decent pullback for us to get back in on structure. So that's kind of my view on the DAX at the moment. Wait for the pullbacks. If we get some bearish price action, which would be engulfing bars, pin bars, and here's exactly the setup. There's a pin bar, there's an engulfing bar right there, off structure, which is 1400. Great opportunity for a short right there. and that's what we'll be looking for. So looking for pullbacks, we're looking for engulfing bars, pin bars, or inside bars. I don't see a inside bar on the top here at the moment, but there's one there. There's an inside bar there. So green body, small red body inside it. That's the structure we're looking for, and it needs to be off a level. Simple as that. And then we'll continue moving to the downside. So that's my outlook on the DAX today. I think short it is, and you should see some structure until the US Open. Well, probably US close. I wouldn't leave stuff overnight at the moment, because a lot of the big results in the US will be coming out after the market closes, which could swing the market anyway. Okay, anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will catch up with you bright and breezy tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.